Welcome to Best 5 Choice. The Best Pop Snap Beads is probably one of the most versatile and engaging toys available today, offering endless creative possibilities for children and adults alike. These unique, colorful beads easily snap together, allowing users to build intricate designs, fashion jewelry, or simply enjoy a satisfying tactile experience. Whether you're looking for a fun way to boost fine motor skills, encourage imaginative play, or find a relaxing pastime, Pop Snap Beads provide a captivating and rewarding activity that sparks creativity and delivers hours of entertainment for the whole family. Number 5. Bead Toys Pop Arty 500-piece jewelry making kit. Get ready to create stunning necklaces, bracelets, rings, and more. With 500 colorful snap-together beads, the possibilities are endless. This all-inclusive DIY kit comes with 500 vibrant pieces, plus 12 rings and 6 bracelets. Everything is conveniently stored in a handy jar. These beads are not only colorful and textured but also uniquely designed for easy handling by little fingers. They are perfect for young creators. Crafting jewelry is a fantastic way to ignite your child's imagination and foster their creativity. Watch their ideas come to life. This delightful jewelry set is recommended for children aged 4 and older. It's a perfect gift for endless hours of creative play. What we like? This set offers the most pieces for extended creative play. If you are looking for a comprehensive jewelry making experience with plenty of options for necklaces, bracelets, and rings, this is the one. It's perfect for kids who love to create and want a large variety of beads to work with. What people say? The beads are easy to snap together and create fun jewelry. Great for fine motor skills and creativity. The variety of colors and shapes is impressive. Number 4. Bead Toys Pop Arty 300-piece jewelry making kit. Get ready to create stunning necklaces, bracelets, and rings. This kit provides 300 colorful snap-together beads for endless design possibilities. Inside this DIY kit, you'll find 300 vibrant pieces, including special charms for rings and bracelets. Everything is conveniently stored in a handy jar. These beads are not only colorful and uniquely designed but also textured and easy for small hands to grasp and connect. Crafting jewelry with this set is a fantastic way to ignite your imagination and boost your creativity. Let your artistic side shine. This exciting jewelry making set is perfect for kids aged 4 and above. It's a fun and engaging activity for hours of playtime. What we like? This option provides a good balance of quantity and value. If you want a substantial amount of beads for various creations without being overwhelmed, this set is a great choice. It's ideal for children who enjoy making jewelry and want a good selection of colorful pieces. What people say? The beads are easy for little hands to snap together and pull apart. They are great for developing fine motor skills and creativity. The set comes with a variety of shapes and colors, offering endless possibilities for design. Number 3. Mr. Pen Bead Storage Containers with Labels. Introducing our bead storage containers, designed to keep your crafting supplies perfectly organized. This set includes everything you need to sort and store your items efficiently. Crafted from sturdy plastic, these containers are built to last. The double seal and snap closures ensure your items are protected from dust, water, and rust, preventing any mixing. Each row is removable for convenient access, and the included labels allow for easy color coding. The transparent lids let you see your contents at a glance. These organizers are perfect for diamond painting supplies, nail art, jewelry, beads, and other small items. Keep everything tidy and readily available. You'll receive 2 storage containers, each with 28 individual boxes. Plus, 160 transparent labels are included to help you categorize your collection. What we like? This is not a bead set, but an organizer for your craft supplies. If you have a collection of small items like beads, diamonds, or craft accessories and need a way to keep them neatly sorted and visible, this organizer is perfect. Its multiple compartments and clear design make it easy to find what you need. What people say? The beads are easy to snap together and pull apart, making them great for little hands. They come in a variety of colors and shapes, which adds to the creative possibilities. The set includes a nice assortment of accessories like charms and bracelets, allowing for diverse jewelry designs. Number 2. B. Toys Pop Arty. 150-piece jewelry making kit. Discover a world of bright colors, exciting textures, and unique shapes with this amazing jewelry kit. It's perfect for sparking your imagination and creating something truly special. With 150 different beads, you can easily snap them together to create beautiful bracelets, necklaces, and rings. The possibilities are endless. Coming up with new and exciting jewelry combinations will ignite your imagination. This kit is designed to promote endless creativity and fun. When you're done creating, all the pieces fit perfectly into the included mason-style jar. It even has a convenient handle for easy carrying. This delightful set of snap-together beads is recommended for children aged 4 and up. Get ready for hours of creative play. What we like. This set is perfect for introducing younger children to jewelry making. If you're looking for a manageable number of beads with unique shapes and easy snap-together action, this is a fantastic option. The included jar with a handle makes it easy to store and transport. What people say. The beads are easy to snap together and create various designs. Great for developing fine motor skills and creativity in children. The set includes a wide variety of shapes and colors for endless possibilities. Number 1. Constructive Playthings Colorful Snap Bead Set. Introducing a classic toy with a fun new twist. This set encourages learning through play for children and toddlers as young as 12 months. With 5 vibrant colors, your child can sort and match, enhancing their color recognition skills. It's a colorful way to learn. Watch as little ones easily snap these beads together to create jewelry and designs. It's a fantastic way to develop their fine motor skills. Designed with 4 unique shapes, they are easy for small hands to grip. Made from durable, child-friendly materials, they are built to last. Each bead is perfectly sized for little hands to build strength. They are large enough to be safe and easy to handle, ensuring worry-free fun. What we like. This set is designed with early development in mind. If you have very young children, toddlers, or are looking for a toy that encourages STEM learning through play, this is an excellent choice. The large, easy-to-grip beads are perfect for developing motor skills and color recognition in little hands. What people say. The beads are easy to snap together and pull apart, making them great for little hands. This set offers a wide variety of shapes and colors, providing endless creative possibilities. The beads are made of durable plastic and seem to hold up well to repeated use. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.